Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the digital product selling website. So basically this is a multi-vendor website where sellers can also create account and sell their products. So viewers, in this video I'm gonna give you the complete overview of this website, and I'm gonna guide you about each and every feature of this site. So this is the Alasmart latest version 4.1.1 script. So if you want to buy this script, or if you want us to build this complete amazing website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of this video. You can contact us and we will build this website for you at a very reasonable price. Viewers, in this website you will get different automatic and manual gateways as well, which will make it very easy for user to make payments. So first of all, here you can see it's this text over here. This text is editable from admin panel. Here this is a logo is also changeable from admin panel, and here you can see it is also on my domain. So I'm giving you the demo on my own domain. Here user can also search the product. You can just change these numbers as well. Here you can see all the categories of different products. Like here you can see there's a video, courses, Shopify, WooCommerce, images, JavaScript, etc. And here there is an amazing thing, like here user can directly select the category like audio, video, courses. You can list these categories from admin panel in a way you want. So here you can see this is how user can see all the products, and this mobile is completely mobile friendly website. Mobile users can also easily use this website. So everything is editable that is on the website. You can list featured products, and you can list details about your business website. You can update its terms, policies. You can list the blogs on the website. You can write the blogs, and here is a photo section. You can give your social media, and these are different pages. Like user can become an author, seller on the website. And this is a multi-vendor website. You can close the selling option as well, so it will depends on you. And here these are all the quick links are here. So here each and everything is editable. Here user can go to product section to see the only products, all the products over here. Here are different pages, like you can change these pages as well from admin panel. Here is a blog page. Here you can is about us page, so you can write about your website or your business or whatever you want to write. Here's a contact section, so user can contact the admin of site in case of any issue. So here user can click on start selling to create account as a seller. So user can create account as a seller from here. So if user want to use change the currency, like suppose I want to use it in INR. So here you can see the currency will be changed. So here you can see now currency is changed to INR. Similarly, you can use any of the currency you want. Language is also changeable. We can insert any language from admin panel. And also you can list the discount deals as well from admin panel. Here first of all, here user had to create account in order to buy any product. Here user can just click on create account, and user can create account by filling the simple details. Now I already have an account, so I'll just quickly log in with my account. Then I'll show you how you can buy the product on the site. So I've logged into my user panel of this website. So this is the user panel. You can see all your sales, item purchased, rankings, etc., portfolio, download file. From here you can download files, and here you can withdraw your money. That you can also earn money through referral and withdraw money through it. So viewers, here first of all, suppose I want to buy any website code. In this website you can sell the courses, like your courses, books, website scripts, or any other type of digital product that you have, like different accounts of Netflix, any other account you want to sell. You can just sell it on this website. So you can sell any of the digital product on this website, and you can also sell the physical product as well. So both digital and physical product you can sell it on this site. So suppose I want to buy a website, multi-vendors, e-commerce multi-vendor website or app. So here you have to just click on buy now, and here you can just add it to cart, see the live preview. You can see the comments, reviews, description, and the seller of the site and its review, his review. So you have to add it to cart. Here go to your cart, You can see this product over here, and here you can see all the cost over here in INR, and you can also change the currency from here to USD. So any of the currency you want, you can just change the currency. So here now it's $20. Click on proceed to checkout. You can select the payment gateway here. It's a very simple method to buy this. Here you can see all the payment methods over here on the side. You can choose any of the payment gateway like Stripe, enter your card number, details of your card, and you can buy this product using PayPal, Mobily, Instamojo, bank payment, Flutterwave, and like e-commerce methods are also here. The crypto method is also here. So you can also buy through bank account, enter your bank account details, etc., and just click on submit, and you can buy through bank account as well. So this is how you can buy the product on the website, and after buying, when admin will approve it, the product will come to your portfolio like here, and you can in download files, and you can download file, or you can view your portfolio, and you can download that digital product, or you will get your digital product over here. So this is how this is the main user panel and the complete overview of the user panel. And viewers, now I will go to the admin panel of this website. So let me just go to admin panel of this site. So admin panel was already logged in, so it has automatically opened. So I'll just log out. So here, in order to open admin login page, here we have to enter our email and password. So when we enter our email and password, so click on login, it will log us into the admin panel of this website. So this is the amazing admin panel from where you can completely manage and control each and everything related to your website. First of all, you can see the total user orders on the website, new products, pending products, this month details. Like this is all the analytics things. You can view all the details, withdrawal, users, sellers on the site, clients, blogs. You can see each and everything right here over on the your dashboard. Here when any user will place the order, so orders will come here. So you can see all orders, pending orders, and completed orders. So here you can see the orders over here. These are for the manual gateways, so you can just approve the orders from here. So you can just click on this, and you can view the details and summary of that, and you can approve the order. So here, in order to approve the order, you can just click on success. Here payment status complete, click on update, and the order will be completed, and user will get its digital product, his digital product. So similarly, this is how you will approve the orders. Here in manage products, you can create the product. So from here you can create the product. From here, any type of product, like you can create the slider products, digital products, video products. You can sell the audio products and website codes, all type of products you can just create from here. So it will you can create these things from here, fill the details, and product will be created on the website. And here you can see all products, active pending products. Seller can also upload the product, and you can approve seller products from pending products. Here you can make the categories like audio, video product, courses. You can make the categories from here, or you can just delete them as well. Click on add new, and you can easily add a new category from here. Here you can give coupon codes to user, like you can create a coupon code for the discount of users. Here you can see all the sellers on the website. You can delete them or deactivate them as well. Here is the user list. You can see all the users on the website over here. You can view their details. You can just deactivate them as well. Here is a withdrawal payment, like you can approve the withdrawals of users from here. From manage website, you can manage the SEO of website directly from here, avatars of website, and everything. You can manage SEO related things from here. Here are all the sections on the website. Like as I told you, each and everything that is on the home page of the website is editable. So intro section, all the sections are editable in a single click. Like everything is changeable. Just you can easily change the images, text, whatever is on the home page of the website is completely editable, and you can change each and everything on the website you want. So similarly, all these sections like why choose us section, all these sections are editable. You can just see them and you can edit them, and here you can edit them in a way you want. So everything is editable. You don't need any coding knowledge to edit them. So you can just edit them in a single click. All these sections are editable. Here is the footer section. So footer is also editable, like social links and footer section, and you can change the details from here in a single click and you can update them. So it's a completely amazing and easy site if you want to make your own digital product selling store. So this website will be best for you. You can use this website to make any kind of website. So here are the payment methods option. So you can update the PayPal public private keys for automatic gateway. Here is a Stripe. You can update your Stripe keys. And for card payments, Razorpay, Flutterwave, Mobily, here you can update your bank account details. And this was all about the payment methods. So you can update these things from here, and you can basically update your payment method details. Here are the pages, like all the pages about us, become a seller, are also editable. You can edit them as well. Here is a blog section. You can write the blogs from here. So click on blogs, and here you can see all the existing blogs. You can delete them as well. And if you create a new blog, just click on this and you can easily add new blog to this website. So this is how you can create the blog on the website. So you can do email configurations, you can change the language of website. Here you can select the currencies, like you can make as many as currencies you want, and click on add new and you can add a currency to the website. Here is the setting option. So from here you can change the theme of the website. It has 3 themes. You can use any of the theme you want. You can change the commission type to subscription, blog type, and here sliders, etc., currency, main currency, etc. You can change them from here. Here is a logo and favicon option. So you can change the logo in just single click. From here you can change logo and favicon. Here is a cookie page, like you can manage the cookies from here. Cache and cookies, like you can add live talk on the website, Google Analytics, custom pagination. If you want to add, you can do it from here. You can manage social login and Facebook pixels. So this was all about this amazing website, viewers. If you want to buy this script, or if you want us to build this complete amazing website for you, and if you need any type of e-commerce website, hype investment website, or any type of website, you can just contact us and we will build what you want. WhatsApp link is in the description. Just do contact us and we will build what you want. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel and be happy, guys.